Hey everyone, welcome back to Array Academy. If you watched my last video, we already have n8n running in our local machine using Docker. If you have not checked that yet, so the link is in description. Please go check it out. So today in this video, we are going to do a complete tour of n8n, every panel, every section, so that by the end of this video, you will exactly know where everything lives and what it does. We are not building anything today, no workflow, no nodes, nothing like that. This is a purely about understanding the tool before we start using it. So let's get into it. So here we are. This is n8n. You can see I have got it running locally at the local host on port 5678, exactly like we set it up in the last video. So now before we go through each part of the screen, let me give a quick reminder about what is n8n. So because understanding the purpose of the tool makes the interface make a lot more sense. So n8n is an automation platform. Its job is to connect apps together and automate repetitive tasks without you having write any complex code every single time. So think of it like this. Instead of manually copying data from one place to another or logging into five different tool or system to do one task, we build a workflow that automate those tasks. Okay, so yeah, that is the main purpose of this n8n. So now let's look at where all of that happens. So after you log in, you will redirect to this page, and this is the home page of this n8n. As you can see in the left side, we have a plus icon over here. So once you click on the plus icon, we can able to see there is a workflow and the credentials. So workflow is like where the actual automation lives and where will most of the place we will start working. There is also a option for the credentials. So that what is the credentials? The credential is like if you want to connect with an external system like Gmail or OpenAI for the AI chatting and all these things. So we have to we have to add that credential over here, but there is another way also to add the credential while creating the workflow. Inside the workflow we can also able to add that one. So this is the one, and then the search, this is the normal things, you can able to search everything. This is the toggle button to show and hide the left panel. So below the overview there is a chart options which is in the beta version. So here we can able to start build your own chart model to interact with a different system for your help, like OpenAI, then Gemini. So I will show you later on that how we can able to do it in free to interact with a different model. So that also I will do it later. So after that we will see there is a template. So I would suggest the template is a very good option because here we can go and see other tasks because people are doing their work and sharing it in the community, so that it's very simple. You can check it out for the different purpose. So this is the insight, but unfortunately it is a paid feature for this community editions. We are in the community editions, so I don't think so this will stop you by doing or exploring things, and it is good enough in the community edition to do a complete workflow. So this is a help panel. You can able to find the documentations and overview and all these things. So I would suggest if you stuck anywhere, so you can write down the comment your issue or the problem, but apart from that you can also go the community and ask the questions there because there is a very vast community. After that there is a settings with having the plans. Obviously this is for the if you have taken any plan for the n8n. Then this is the personal detail, like to enable the to multi-factor authentication, or the changing the password and the username and all these things. So that is also there. So user, there is a option to add invite the other team member, but unfortunately the role is only for the member. There is no admin role enabled for this community edition. Okay, then after that the project role, same thing. This is also a feature of the community edition. n8n API, if you want to connect your n8n through an external system, and if you want to connect, so definitely you have to create a API key, otherwise it will be exposed to everyone and anyone can change anything. So it will be better to create a API key, where if you are planning to make it usable by an external system. There is an external secret. Actually, what is a secret? If you want to store some secret values to interact with different system, like API keys and all, so you can add, but unfortunately this is not available for this community edition. Environment also same thing, it is not for the available for the community edition, but I will explain what is the environment. So let's say if you are working with a bigger company or multiple people, so we have in the bigger company like a development environment, then it will be staging environment, then the production environment, so that people can test and we can test it properly before going to production. So that is also the work of the environment. So right now we only have only one environment. The SSO, single sign on, so this is also a paid feature. Actually most of the things are paid feature. The purpose of this video is to explain you how you can able to work, and this is the, I don't think so this will stop you by doing any work. Okay, so yeah, as you can see we are in the 2.16.1 version. Okay, so this is the complete overview. Let's start by creating a workflow. Okay, so as you can see this is a workflow interface and it is called canvas. So here you can see there is a my workflow. You can give anything like okay, so it will store the name. Then I will give you a short overview that how you can navigate through your canvas. So I will prefer to have a external mouse if you are using any laptop and all, because external mouse has a middle button scroll bar that will help little bit. Okay, so the normal thing is that if you want to zoom into it, if you want to zoom into it, so you can click the plus icon to zoom and minus to zoom out. Also you can click here to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, to pan the things you have to press your scroll bar button and will do the panning. It will help if your workflow have multiple nodes and scattered everywhere, so it will do you can go through the workflows. Okay, and here you can see there is a first step to add your node. Actually all these are nodes Gmail, whatever you want to do, that is called a node in n8n. So here they have categorized by doing multiple nodes, trigger it manually, open an event on schedule. So if you want to run your workflow to be run in every 5 minutes or every 2 minutes or a per day particular time, you can use that one. So webhook call, I will go into detail when we'll start on the working on these things. Okay, so let's start by doing simple things. I'm just adding something. We'll add a if node. Okay, so if node, after that true AI agent, I will add. Then let's say we are adding this one. nodes. Okay, as you can see, all the nodes are there, and you can um, arrange it however you want, like. So but after lot of nodes connected, it will be very clumsy and it will not look good. So that's why they have given a feature, this one called tidy up, if I pronounce it correctly. So if you click that one, it will make your workflow very clean and readable. Okay, so you can see there is a line connecting through those things. So that is the data pipeline, means the data will flow from one node to another through this one. So this also we can able to do. Don't worry about this AI agent and what is the chat model, memory, tools. I will explain everything in our upcoming videos, and I'm not giving you directly a hard task. We will go slowly so that you can able to understand, okay, so how things are working. So after that, there is a execution section. So what is the execution system section is like, once your workflow is running, then how many times it's run, so what is the, whether it's a success, whether it's a failure, and if it's a failure, so what is the reason of that failure. So all these things we can able to track that one. And there is an evaluation, they have given to register for the evaluation. I don't think so it is needed for right now. Okay, so to execute a workflow, you can simply click the workflow, and obviously the workflow has some issue. Let me delete this one, and let me delete this one. I will simple do nothing. There is a node called no operations. Okay, I will add that one here also. I will add no operations. Okay, so if you execute that, you can see the data flow from this one to this one to then true, and then don't worry, I have not added any condition over there, so already always it will treat that as a true. So this is the thing. So the next thing is that you can see there is a history, and I think this is the most important because it will track your every changes, and if something breaks, you can easily come back to your previous version. As you can see, we have lot of versions automatically mapped here, so you can easily change to any version, like the restore version. Okay, I will go to the version where we have added the AI. Yeah, you can see, you can navigate to any versions you want, publish your workflow, make it live. So as you can see, it is saying that the workflow has no trigger nodes, so that's required for publishing this one. So as we didn't do anything, like we just placed the node simply, so that's why it is showing that on. But later on we will see how we will create the workflow for a simple task. Okay, all right, that's the complete n8n interface overview. I think you have enough knowledge to what are the things are there, and what are the use of these those things. So in the next video, we are going to open that canvas and build a real workflow. Nothing complicated, something very simple, but something that actually does something useful. So you will see how the node works and how data flows between them, and how to test the workflow. If this video helpful for you, hit like and subscribe so you will not miss the next one. And if you have any questions about the interface, drop me in the comment below, so I will try to fix it. I will try to answer those things. So we'll see in the next one. Thank you very much.